Slime today, guys. Special video. I tried it. Okay, it's good. Couldn't use Gain. Gain is the best thing. I'd recommend you trying it. I made it out of sparkle glass slime, and this is made out of Gain and just regular glue. I had the box right for these. I thought it was gonna give us the materials and everything, but it just gave us those. And I don't have contact lens, so. But we will be using it as I tried it before I made the video because I didn't want to give you all rip off or anything, and I made this. This one's gonna take a little bit more like playing with it though, just to let y'all know. It will leave stains, like glue stains, because it melts off kind of. So if I were you, I'd keep it in like a little container, so it can melt there, okay? But I made slime out of it. It's really sticky though. Okay, let's get to it. I'm not gonna be using my clear glue because I've never had clear glue and I just want to savor that moment. So, but I'd recommend you using Gain all the time. Gain is the best thing, and I'm not gonna waste this. So we're gonna be making the regular glue, the one I just showed you, not the pink one. Okay? You take your fork or whatever you use, and you just mix it up. You just mix it. You mix it like you're gonna meet Kurt the Frog, or your favorite YouTuber. My favorite YouTuber would be Shane Dawson, and Shanae, which is Shane Dawson, just as a crazy lady. Okay. Like, you keep mixing it for a couple minutes. And pick it up. Take it out of its place. Start playing with it. You know, squish it around and get all the stuff out. If it's like really goopy and stuff, don't take it out yet. But if it's like started getting stuck in your hand, then it's ready. Just gotta start playing with it. And look, guys, it's almost like slime. See? It's taking its form. If it's like this, then, like, I'd say just play with it, and leave some comments down in the comment section. And I will try to make merch, guys, so I will try to make merch. But see how it's like kind of making it? Like, don't keep it in your hand for like forever. Okay, like if it's like this, it's something's almost good. But my other one wasn't like that. It was like you just squish it for a minute. But look, see, it's slime. It's really sticky. Like, I won't recommend it keeping this kind of it. If it turns out like this, don't keep it in here for like half a second. See? Like, oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm just trying to stick it up. Break it up. Pick it up. See, guys, it's getting sticky. That means it's getting good. Okay, enough about that. We'll just stick it in here with my other one I made before I made a video, just to say. And we'll stick these all together, even the pink one, guys. And look, guys, I put all my slime in there together, even the pink one. See? Slime. You get kind of a greenish, whitish color. But now let's try with the pink slime. I'm not wasting the Gain. I will reuse it. I'm not cheapskate, but it's like you're going to use it all for glue anyway, so why not? Oh, yeah. So smoothing. Okay. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult, though. Okay, guys? I recommend you try. It may look like still glue just stuck together and everything, but you know. But it will leave like kind of sticky stains on your table or wherever you lay it at. So I recommend you put it in like a little container. See? Like, see how it's dripping and everything? I'm always looking for new subscribers, and basically, if you want me to subscribe to you and you subscribe to me, I will. Just leave your comment, just saying hi or anything around here, and I'll just look down there and will subscribe to you. I subscribe to all my fans that I know of that have been on my videos and been commenting. So, just hang. So y'all play with it. See, it's like coming together kind of. I want, if y'all can get me 17 likes in this video, I will be calling Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, you heard me. Five Nights at Freddy's FNAF. I will be calling it. See how it's like kind of like the other one, kind of? But it will leave kind of glue stains on your counter or wherever you leave it, so I have to keep it in a container at all times. And it will make your hands like this, so keep playing with it. Or add it to your other slime, you know? Or you can put it in a container like I am. And like a little bowl that you can keep with you all the time and stuff. I take mine to school. Like, just because one person did one video of slime, now it's just going viral everywhere. It's like, come on, it's just slime. But it will still feel like glue and play like glue and everything, but it's okay, guys. See? But I recommend don't bring this to school because it'll be hard to get off your hands, and your teacher's gonna be like, what's on your hands? I'm like, shit. But like, if you like just play with it, see, it'll leave stuff on your hands. But you can make it like much better, like play with it until like it's not squishy, or just keep making it and trying. Like, I think I had. See? Look, see how it's so sticky, guys? You don't want that. But y'all know, you get the point, guys. It's still slime and everything. Like, let's try to put it on the ground. No! Just carefully, just set it down, kind of. Okay, there we go, guys. But it will leave messes, by the way. And guys, I will be using right now a little of my clear glue. So I'm using my clear glue for you, and I've never seen clear glue. You know that means turkey time, trick or treat. I'm doing this for you guys. Like, I feel so bad with this glue. Oh my god, guys, I'm wasting my glue because of y'all. I hate you guys. I'm playing. I love you guys. Okay, just started mixing it up. I've never had clear glue or seen clear glue in my life. Well, I have, or just never seen it in person. It's not gonna be like kind of clear, but it's something. If you can, like, kind of scoop it off your fork because you don't want it to be like that. Okay, keep playing with it, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, guys. It's gonna be like the other one, I think. I'm not sure. But if I were you, I'd keep it in a container, and yes, it will leave a sticky stain behind. So I just picked it up. It does not matter if it is yours, they'll pick it up. Psych. Just leave it on the ground. But look, guys, it's slime. It's sticky, sticky, sticky slime, so I'd just be careful about how much I put in there. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but it's the end of my video. I'll keep you on until I get it off, though. Yeah. Guys, if y'all always wonder what I do after I turn off the camera, I do what anyone would do, clean up my mess. I hate JoJo Swift. She thinks she's all that just because she can do whatever she wants. If y'all love her, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that myself. And yes, guys, it will kind of be hard to get off your hands, so I recommend kind of not trying it, but kind of will. And guys, as I said, I will try to make merch. It'll be free, and I'm not gonna sell it to anyone, it's just for you guys, and just go get that merch. And if I can, I will try to pin your comments. I don't know how to pin them, but I will try. And I'm always looking up for new subscribers, and making off a video, and my best friend, she knows who she is. She's always, we talk to each other sometimes. She knows exactly who she is. She makes the best video in the world. And guys, please go check out her channel because she's been trolled a lot, but please just go check out her channel, and please don't troll her. Please don't. She's been trolled a lot, but I haven't trolled her, and I never will. But guys, don't forget, close your glues. You don't want them to get spoiled up and stuff. But guys, there we go. Look, that's the slime right there. And the other ones. That was supposed to be clear slime, but it's really sticky, so I'd recommend picking up with something, you know. But until next time, see you. Bye.